Hello guys, today I would like to show you printer, label printer from brother company, and kind of this printer is P-Touch H500. It's possible to connect this printer with a PC with this connector USB like this, and after that you can install software to your computer and you can printing immediately from your computer. Also you can using an adapter for voltage. I think there is some information, 12 volts DC, and if you haven't here, if you can get out, and you can use also batteries. So I can show you batteries. So it's really very easy. Here is, you have to stick this and you can open, and after that you can use batteries. So if you need to take this printer somewhere, you can take him together with batteries. Okay, here you can see cassette, and we have here 24 millimeters. It's possible to using 6, 9, 8, 10, 12 what of type of cassette. Next video I will show you some type of cassette for this, and I think that it's possible to read somewhere what is possible, and we can see here, yes, from 3.5 millimeters to 24 millimeters. It's possible to printing on this equipment. Now I would like to run this, so I connect again the power. Oops, it's not so easy when I keep the camera in one hand. Okay, and now I can start with this, and you can write something. Okay? So for example, hello, and now just print. You can choose if you want more copies, 2, 3, 4, but I want just one, and I accept one. I use OK, and now I'm waiting for printing, and you can see I have now here hello. You can change your world off here, because you have here a menu, and we have here a language. So if I open a language, you can choose Espanol, French, Slovakia, Italiano, and other one. And also you can choose unit, millimeter or inch, auto fit style, text size, text width you can change, text reminder, reset, auto power off, and cut pause. So this you can change, and also you can change in style of text. For example, I choose this, and you can choose font. You can see here how text change, yeah, like this, and style, out, shade, and I will use this. Yeah, okay, and I use OK, and print, and we can see different type of hook. Now it's different. So you have a lot of options for this equipment. So this is review for P-Touch H500. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribe, and see you in next video where I will show you types of cassette. See you, bye.